Welcome back to Expert Crypto. We are going to be going over the charts. The charts do not lie. The charts are analytical data. You guys can look at the news all you want, but the news is manipulated, and I've experienced news manipulation throughout my 5 or 6 years in crypto, and this is nothing new. But we're just going to take a look at the charts. They are showing some serious signs. And I went over it yesterday, and I'm going to show you guys how you could look at it too. And I have someone else. Actually currently with me now, and we're going to be going over it. A lot of experience, a lot of hours put into crypto between the both of the people that are in here. So really make sure, guys, to really have an open mind. I know bearish news is not the best thing, but we will go over it. But is looking bullish short term. We did say that we have a bullish short-term trends, and we are looking bearish long-term. So let's get into it real quick. So what's up?
Hey man, guys, what's up? My name is Rida, and I'm gonna try to explain my view on this chart. So yeah.
You want to show them how to use these EMA levels, and I guess we can get into the significance of EMA.
Yeah, of course, and make sure you read the books. Very important. I'm reading the books as well. I'm 4 years in crypto, and I still read the books, and I still make mistakes. If you want to go to the EMA, you have to click on the indicators and strategies, and you just search up 5 exponential and simple EMA, and they will show up. Like here on the left, I have my indicators here. I have a paid version. You can screenshot this. I can share my styles right here. You guys can copy it. This is the 200-day, by the way, and this is the 10 and the 21. This is what I mostly use to look how the market is going now, how the market is going and where it is going, and if we're an uptrend or a downtrend. And these are my inputs. You guys can also just pause the video and screenshot it. So yeah, that's what I use of EMAs.
All right, so we are showing a bullish short term, and you want to go back, or no, I guess we could show it here first.
Yeah.
But we're showing that we're gonna have a little bullish trend to hit back on this EMA 200-day level, but you have to understand that this is a short-term bullishness. This has happened in the past. We'll go and show you guys the past. But normally what happens is we reach this 200-day EMA level, and then we will have a dip below. This has happened every single bull run. And I know there's been a lot of news that this is different, this is different, this is different. It is a little bit different. We do have a higher market cap. We do have higher volume in crypto. But this trend, still, every single bull run we have, every single, all the data is pointing that we will still have a bearish long-term event after this. So really make sure to understand that. Would you guys rather follow the data or the news? The news will screw you over, and I can guarantee you that. I've been through 2017, 2018. Red has been screwed over by the news multiple times, but yep. so have I. And you guys really need to take this in for a second. But let's show the levels on where we can go. If we do reach this 200 EMA, we can go through all the possibilities on that.
We can go back in time. By the way, I want to add on that. Me and Expert and the other people in Discord, which he will open soon, and I recommend you guys to join so you can learn. Me and Expert we were like sparring with each other. I told him no, it's not a bear market. He told me it is a bear market. Well, technically, like if you look in the textbook, you just can't say at the moment. You can say it's a bear market, but don't get too much hopium. Yes, Ethereum never stayed above the 21 and the 10. It is unique. It's very cool to see. We're seeing some signs we are decoupling, but it has to do with the Ethereum 2.0, which is coming in the summer, and maybe they will sell the news. So me and experts, or I'm going to talk about myself, I can't say to you guys we're fully in a bear market, but are we showing signs? Hell yes, we are showing signs. Hell yes, because you know why? I will show you. We'll go to daily. This is the 200-day weekly moving average, and if I zoom out, you can see clearly the uptrend from here. Like on 27/8 for the 4th of May, we started to look for an uptrend, and when you break your previous all-time high, that's the first sign you are fully in a bull market. So we had this uptrend right now, and then this breakout, and as you can see, we stay above the 200-day moving average, and we didn't touch it one time. This is the first time since, let me see, around like 19th of May, that we touched the 200-day EMA. So for other people, I don't want to sound really harsh on your channel, but guys, everyone had more than 7 months of time to accumulate and to buy Bitcoin right here. That's why expert is saying, don't buy now. You have to sell in the bull market and buy in the bear market, because all these
Or
people, guys,
trade in the bull
yeah, or
market.
trade,
Trade in the bull
yeah,
market.
yeah, because I see people complaining right now. Yeah, why is it dropping? Well, look, you had 7 months of you had 7 months of time to accumulate and to look at the market. So just learn it from for the next time. Just for the next time, guy, pay attention to the market, and you will be Gucci. Like, you can easily get some profit around here, because this wick off pattern you guys see here, it is not the first time that it happened. Me and expert were looking in the charts, and we scrolled down, and if I zoom in right here, you can see the same wick off pattern happening, and you guys can look it for yourself. It's on the daily, and the date is on the 27th of July. So these market makers, which we call them, they do this all the time. You guys just need to study the books so you can spot them early. You can spot them here. You can spot them
Technical
here. Yeah,
analysis is
technical
more
analysis.
important. Technical analysis is more important than any sort of news article. Yes, we have these Elon tweets that'll affect the market, but when these when these significant news events line up with exactly past analytical trends, you can kind of see how manipulated the market is. These same trends will happen, same news articles will happen. It doesn't cost much money for these whales to put out these news articles and short the market, but let's get into the EMA on 2017 to show exactly how close
Yeah.
we are. And we did see multiple wick off patterns, the same sort of trends in every single bull market.
Yeah, it's also here. You can see a bit of a wick off, but not really exactly, but the
Not
previous
everything's going to
ones.
be
But
exactly, yeah, but
yeah, yeah. But you guys, the mistake I made in 2017, and I lost like almost my whole portfolio in 2017, because I was right here. I was right here, and I was thinking, yeah, it's always gonna go up. Then I said to myself that this was a dip, and then I had the last chance to get out of here, but I didn't, because you know why? Because I listened too much to YouTubers, too much to on Twitter. They all told me right here, yeah, don't worry, the next cycle is gonna begin, but that's impossible, guys, because you have to look at the EMAs. Look at this cross. This, when the 10-day and the 21-day cross down, it's like a dead cross of the 10 and 21, and if they cross on in an uptrend, it's called a golden cross, and that's what you want to see, and that's where you want to be. That's where you
yeah,
want to be, not
those are
here.
so significant.
Yeah,
Those crosses right there. If we do
right
see
here,
that cross, I can guarantee you, everyone
100%.
everyone will be shorting the markets, and everyone has done that on these crosses. As you guys can see, right when they cross, you have a large dip just because it's a psychological trend, and it's so known right now. This cross, but I'm just gonna get into the price predictions on where we're gonna see Bitcoin go and what it can really do. But we do see this second uptrend happening. We I think we said 42 to 47 to 48k, maybe possibly 50k, but there's going to be a sizable dip, and that's a lot of hopium. Me telling you that, because we could always have a different trend. But if we do reach above that with Bitcoin, we've wicked up above these moving averages in the past, and then that's when we have another pullback. We have never had some sort of trend where we were able to break out of it and hold above these averages. So if you guys are thinking that we're going to have a second multi-cycle, the data is saying hell no. It's saying that's impossible. And the news can say double bull cycle, but I'm telling you guys, the only way this is possible is if we have a larger dip or we have a stagnicity in the markets and then we hold above that line. But that has never happened in the past. You have to really be the best investor you can by following the charts, understanding the trends. And right now, short-term bullishness. We have seen the short-term bullishness. I've been saying this for a while, but we are going to see that long-term bearishness unless these charts fundamentally change, which we've never seen happen. So, yeah, just letting you guys know that.
Yeah. Can I add something?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what I want to see if you want to become bullish again, what I don't want to see is the candle going up like this. Sorry, is we making a higher low. If you see that, then you have to get out of the market, guys. If the candle closes here, so it's under the previous high, you have to go back, and I will show you why you have to go. I mean, you have to go out. So you have to sell almost your whole portfolio because why?
Wait.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, of course. Yeah,
We
yeah, yeah.
have 2,100 people that are watching. They do not want the banter bags, right? You guys
Oh,
have to
the
hit that.
banter bags.
The banter bags, the banter bags. You guys have to hit that like button. You guys have to buy into the IDOs.
The
You guys
banter
have to be
bags.
buying Donkey. If you guys want to hit that like button, subscribe as well to participate in these banter bags. Okay, you're good to go, Retta.
Oh yeah, I want to, guys. Please don't buy this IDOs. I can show you guys Shop X. It's down 96%, guys. Come on, guys. Don't fall for this. It's a good thing to add on your show. Yeah, look at this, guys. Look your banter bags. IDO, IDO. Guys, buy, 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 buy. Look, it's how much is it down? Oh, it's not even working because it went down that much. Let's
Show
see.
them, show them, show them.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's
Show
see.
them one more.
96%. Yeah, I will show you Donkey from Crypto Banter. Look, guys, I'm gonna show you Donkey Finance. Donkey,
Don't
you can
fall
follow
for these
prompts.
IDOs.
And I
They're-
will show you why, guys, because he didn't show this on his previous stream. I will show you why you should not get in Donkey. Let me share this up. Search this up.
It's not an
Yeah, there we go.
accumulation phase, guys. It's not an accumulation phase.
It's in a dumping phase. You ever heard of the dumping phase? So yeah, I don't know if this chart is good, but it went 99% down or something. Let's go to his site. So who's investing in this? Let's see, guys. Donkey Finance.
We're-
Let's go. Let's go under.
All right, we're
Well,
getting a little distracted, but you guys got to understand this is for the better of the humanity.
surprise,
right
surprise,
here.
surprise, guys. Banter Capital. So who's getting the most the most
Moon
allocation?
Whale as
So-
well. We see these are
Yeah.
VCs, which is venture capital. These are the people who are pulling these rug pulls, who are controlling
Guys,
the
look at the
markets
name.
on.
Guys, look at the name. Moon and Whale. Come on, guys. Don't fall for it. He's saying it in the name. Like he's a moon and he's a whale and he wants to dump. Just watch out, guys. Watch out and invest in the bear market and research good fundamental projects. If you want to learn more, join the Discord or read the books. I'm like serious.
Yeah, I'll post more on the fundamentals, but you guys are looking for the accumulation phase if you're going to diamond hands. You really are.
For sure. 100%. 100%. So yeah, we got distracted. I'm sorry. Yeah, what the
Yeah, so 41 to 42 k Bitcoin, we have a lot of resistance there. So that could potentially be where we could see this dump. Just make sure to take some profits around there. Set your stop loss, I would say, around 38 to 37 k Bitcoin. Correlate that to all your altcoins, right? So if your altcoins move, let's say 2 to 3% more than what Bitcoin does, make sure to calculate that out. But we do see this 50k, this 50 to 48k is still possible. We don't have any really resistance in this 44 to this 43 to 40, 47 to 46k area. So we do have potential if we break through that. We will have a higher chance of getting that pump up to Bitcoin. But you will see all these good news articles come out. You will see this pump happen, in my opinion, and it's going to come down after this. You guys are getting a heads up, right? You guys are getting real factual news on this, and let's show them the past on how this wick candle that pushed over these EMA lines have panned out.
Yeah, and don't bet against the house, guys, because these things never happened before. Can it happen? Yes, but would you take the risk on something that never happened? I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Let me see. I have to go to the bits tab.
But people,
There we
you guys have to understand the charts. You guys are gonna have all of these new investors, all these YouTube investors that you guys have seen. None of them do investing off of charts. You guys have to be doing investing off of charts if you want to be successful, long-term, consistent gains in crypto. It's all about the charts. Just letting you guys know that. Ignore the news. Research the fundamentals. Yes, news and hype do matter, but not in a bear market. Not when we have reached this all-time high with Bitcoin and are a downtrend below the EMA levels. We'll get into the all-time high thing after this, but let's.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
this candle right here. This candle right here. You see, we went up, we retested and failed, and then the cross happened, and we're almost at that spot right now. Maybe it takes a couple of weeks more, or we need like an angel from heaven, and it will take Bitcoin to 65K, but I don't think that's possible. So this is 2017, guys. Look, the cross happened. Yes, it tested once time, but it doesn't matter anymore because they already crossed. It tested, and then I saw my portfolio going down. And no, this is not PTSD, guys. This is showing you how it works. So we went down. People are still at hopium, and look at this candle right here. You don't want to be here, guys. Like you don't want to be in this candle because then there's no way back. To add to that, I don't think expert never showed this, but I was, for example, in this project right here, and these projects, guys, they don't have revenue anymore in the bear market. So what happens? These projects never come back. So your money, you will never see your money again. It's down 99%, and this is
From
after
all-time
5
highs.
years.
Yep.
This is after 5
You
years,
guys
guys.
have to understand, to be investing into
Look.
projects that have revenue, they have use case if you are going to hold long term. A lot of these projects in the top 100 even do not have revenue. They do not have. They're not making money. How are they going to survive a bear market when investment money is scarce and they're not making any money from their
It's
crypto?
you guys, but the only revenue are you. Like you hold the tokens. Like they sell your tokens, guys. Don't fall for it. Look at this project. You can. The whole story is in the charts. Look, they were panicking. 2016, peak of 2017. What happened after? They sold all their tokens. Now they have no more revenue. We can go to another one. You know, game BTC. Look at this chart, guys. This is from 2017. 2017, boom, down, and these poor people were buying here. They never saw their money back. Same with Sun contract. Look at this candle, guys. We're not ultra bearish, you know. We don't want to scare you guys or anything, but
We're just showing you what could happen if you're
we,
invested into
we
bad
don't want you
projects.
guys to
And
add up like this, like end up like this, like 99%, and it's not coming back because of no revenue and no more interest. Same
we're
with
trying
this
to scare
project, guys.
you. We're trying to scare you into getting into the charts and really getting into good, fundamentally stable projects.
Yeah, and you guys can look it up. Icon. I was in 2017. Icon was one of the best projects of 2017. It's going to be the next Ethereum in South Korea. I don't know if someone remembers in the chat. Look what happened. It never came back to its prices. Never. So holding is good, guys. I'm not saying it's bad, but you do it in the bear market, not in a bull market. Otherwise, the people who were buying here, they sold here because it's logical. Of course, you would sell here. Of course. So yeah, that's my warning sign to everyone. And of course, it's no financial advice. You guys do whatever you want. You can call us fodder or anything, but we have warned everyone at least. Yeah.
No one will talk about this on YouTube, guys, because they bought during the accumulation phase, or they don't want to spread FUD around. We're just sharing the charts and how the data is pinpointing to a specific bear market. So when we have all-time highs in Bitcoin after a extended bull market and we dip below these levels, we have never had a run up after this. Never, never, never. So we've had the all-time high, right? We had the 65K. With Bitcoin, and you want to flip to Bitcoin, but we had the 65K with Bitcoin, and we have never, we need to reach above that 65K, but we've already dipped below the EMA levels. This is why I've been ultra bearish on this channel with short-term bullishness, because we always have those people who are going to psychologically buy the dips, buy these dips thinking that it's going to come back up, but telling you guys this right now, we've dipped below those levels analytically from a data perspective, from a numbers perspective. Guys can lie, girls can lie, women can lie, men can lie, but you want to know what doesn't lie? Data does not lie, right? So make sure you guys understand that when we have this happen, when we have this dip below these EMA levels with Bitcoin after all-time highs after this push, we always see a downwards trajectory bear market. Yes, this year's been different, but those numbers are still not different. So you have to understand that.
Yeah. And I've been looking in the chat, and I see someone saying, stop talking about other channels. No, we're gonna even speak more about other channels. People are losing their lives and they're losing their money because of these people scamming.
People. There was suicide hotlines
Never.
in 2017.
Yeah.
Suicide hotlines in 2017, 2018, because people they were told the wrong things. They put their life savings into these coins that were shilled to them and lost everything. Like, it's not something to joke about. It really isn't. Like, this channel, we're not I'm not going to be here joking around telling you guys FUD information. I didn't make this to do that. So I'm really trying to help the people that really want to listen and understand. Because with these EMA levels, with the trend that we're showing, going against the data is suicide.
Yeah, but the only thing which is different is Ethereum, and that's where I am bullish on, is on Ethereum.
But
But
it will have more market dominance, but it won't it'll have more market dominance, not more market cap in a bear market. That's really what this trend could be showing as well. More market dominance, if that
for the
makes
future,
sense.
it's bullish sign
Yeah.
for the future. That's why stick around. Like bull market or bear market doesn't matter. If you remove the whole bull and bear market, it will be much better. Just read and stay active and keep updated in the market. Like front run everyone. You should really. It's my advice. Just keep front running everyone by reading books and watching good videos, good content.
All right, so you want to go to the all-time highs of 2017 and show that trend with the EMA level as well. I've showed it in my last video, but once we have that all-time high and we have that
this
dip,
one?
yes,
Yeah.
yes, we have that dip below the EMA levels. We're never been able to break back up above it. Go to every single bull market, we have not been able to do that. We had a 3-month bull market, we had a 4-month bull market, and now this one's a 5-month bull market. It's kind of funny how these trends are almost the exact range in time. That's just not a coincidence. That's probably just random, but something else to point out. But yes, be very careful, guys. Right now, we're going to see some pumps. Yes, we will above these EMA levels, but for the most part, it's not looking bullish. And I just want to get the word out and have you guys have the best opportunity you can from someone who's extremely unbiased. We're unemotional on this channel. You guys have to be unemotional. You have to be looking at the charts.
I was like you guys, man. You should tell them how many discussions we have in Discord. We don't agree with each other many times. Like I was looking at Ethereum, and he said, so we will find out on Sunday, guys. Sunday is gonna be important. Sunday we're gonna find out. Okay, what is Bitcoin gonna do? Is Bitcoin gonna try to close above the 21? Because that would be like sort of bullish again, because it has to, because if you want to have a bull market, you have to stay above the 10 and the 21. So maybe, but is it a big will it have 100%? Hell no, because it never did. It never did. So I would not bet against that. Is the bull market 100% over? No, it isn't. Not yet. But should you prepare? Yeah, get some USDT ready, for example.
From a data perspective, the bull market is over. But just saying that from a data perspective.
Yeah, but we
from
should
EMA
wait
on
to.
Bitcoin.
Yeah, but we should wait to Sunday on the weekly close. We have to wait and see. Yeah, but yeah, right now it doesn't look that great, but there's still a little bit of hope, you guys. But again, I'm gonna repeat it. You had like more than 9 months to accumulate right here. You know, it can always go forever up. So
Go.
yeah.
Let's go show them the accumulation on some of these coins. Yes, guys, make your trades, make your gains now when we have these pumps. Set your stop losses. You guys, I've been making videos. I will do streams on certain coins and really show you guys how this is going to pan out, because we will have some pumps that can guarantee you that. People will continue to buy the dip. We've never seen people not buy the dip after this huge hopium bull market, right? These people still have hope that this is just a dip. They don't look at the charts. They've never heard of, it'll continue to dip because they've only just joined during a bull market. So let's go show some call. You're going to B Pro, of course.
So no, I always use Beeper for as education. Yeah, but people are laughing now. But I will show you what's the power of the bear market. So
Guys,
look at the price.
Reddit owns a lot of B Pro. Watch out.
No, I don't. Yeah, buy Beeper, guys. Gonna be very good.
Sponsored by us.
Yeah. So the price in the bear market in 24 December 20, or let's go here as well. Yeah, here it was like 0.00057,358. So let's get my calculator. And this is in bear market, guys. And you don't need a lot of money in the bear market. So let's see. You had $100 times. Let me check. Oh yeah, it's this one here. Divide by. Let's pick this 0.00058,378. I mean, that's 171,000 B Pro for $400, guys. in the bear market, and you could have done that from 2019 till July 2020 till like even December. You had the time to accumulate. So imagine people been accumulating right here.
Oh, by the way,
They,
guys, BitBoy and Crypto Banter might be shilling BPro in the near future,
yeah,
and they have
but
what other events that they have just for the people that are watching. You guys should be buying this on large dips if you can. That's just a suggestion.
so wait, guys, watch out for Bitcoin and watch out for a dip maybe. Wait for more confirmation. But I want to make clear, like bear market, if you just bought here, you had 377 days to buy it that cheap. Like again, $100 for 171k B Pro. So what happened, guys? There are whales that put like $50,000 in B Pro at that prices. So imagine they have like 10 million B Pro, 20 million B Pro, and they waited for like almost 2 years to to freaking accumulate that, to sell it here, to dump on dumb money. I don't want to be harsh, but this is dumb money. This is smart money. This is dumb money. And in the book, what expert is showing under the link is under the YouTube. He will explain what's smart money and what's dumb money. Really be here, guys, not here. Just try to sell everything here.
So there's some person saying it's not a bear market only halfway through. Can we go back to
No,
Bitcoin and
maybe
explain that?
look. Yeah, look. I don't know what your name is, but maybe you're right. Because at the moment we still don't know, and you know why? And that's because of Ethereum. At the moment, Ethereum is showing strength, but remember, Ethereum is only showing strength because of the news and the update behind it. The facts are that that Bitcoin is not showing strength. Maybe is it half of the cycle? Who knows? We're gonna find out where it closes. But if Bitcoin makes again closes as a lower high, I mean that's not bullish, guys. That's very bearish. But we will find out
But we've
till
never had an all-time high candle come below the EMA and had a bull market after it. That's the main point. So technically, from a data perspective, with Bitcoin and where it's at right now, we have never had a bull market continue from where the point we are right now. Yes, we have these pumps above the EMA, but they never hold every single time. What is different? Okay, with this data, not much, guys, not much. But by the way, those people saying Schiller, we're shilling, guys. Don't buy Repro, okay? We're just saying that BitBoy and Crypto Banter are probably going to shout it out soon. And I'm telling you guys, buy it on the dips. That has it. That has revenue. That has use case.
Can I reply on him? Maybe can I reply on him?
Yeah.
Because I rather, guys, I rather sell you B Pro than I sell you this. You want me to sell you this? Look at ShopX, guys. Look at ShopX again, 96%. You want me to show you this? Eternity Chain. You remember, guys, Eternity Chain? Well, let's look at Eternity Chain. Look what happened. You know how many people lost money? Many of you know this coin, this NFT coin called Eternity Chain. It went down. How much? 96%. So I mean, B Pro is a good project with good fundamentals. Do what you want with it. If you want to invest in it, then invest. If you don't want, then don't. Go maybe invest in this Eternity Chain. You know. I mean, come on, guys. We're not selling in any way. We're actually helping you.
All right. So really anything else we need to cover about this? Just guys, understand that from a data chart perspective, right? Smart money, you guys look at the charts, right? You guys look at the charts, you guys look at the trends. We're showing a little bit of bullishness with Bitcoin. We talked about that when it was what, like 10% ago, 15% ago. It's climbed a little bit. We need to see some more action, probably around 41 to 42k, to really bring us into that EMA wick. Once we wick out of that EMA, if we hold above that EMA, we will see something that we have never ever seen before, like around the 47, 48k level. But as of right now, we have seen same trends that have been happening with the past cycles, and it is showing bearishness. But we will have some short-term bullishness. So remember that, guys. Don't go against the data. Don't go against the house. You guys will go against the house. You will get screwed. You guys have to go with the charts, go with the house, and really make sure to stay educated, stay informed, and you guys will be successful in crypto. The people that aren't successful are the people that go against the data, the analytics, and I know some of you guys might think that's a hard thing to go against, but I'm going to be showing you guys all the data, all the analytics on this channel, so you guys can have a very, very good understanding of it.
Yeah, and some people are saying, yeah, you're telling us you had 9 months. You're right, guys. I didn't mean it that harsh. I didn't mean it that harsh. I know some people of you came
9
here
months to
last
buy,
month.
by
You
the way,
know,
guys. What he's
yeah,
saying is you guys had 9 months to
yeah,
buy before this bull market. That's a little harsh, but it's the
yeah. I know.
truth.
I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean it like that. And I welcome all the new people. That's why we like he made this Discord. Everything's for free. You can always join. If we enter a bear market, you should join us and keep active in the space. And if we are still in the bull market and the tide turns around, hey, that's a win-win for all of you. But remember, if everyone is bullish, you have to be bearish, and if everyone is bearish, you should be bullish. Like remember that.
Mainly the charts, though. Mainly the charts,
Yeah,
though.
mainly the
Mainly
chart,
the
of course.
charts.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
100%. Yeah,
Yeah, you
yeah,
guys
yeah.
got to be looking at the charts, okay? But yet again, the bear market will make you guys rich. You have to remember that. You guys want a bear market. I know that might sound crazy. That might sound somewhat arrogant. I know it might be a little bit, but a bear market will make you guys money, okay? You guys make these gains during a bear market. I'm going to be completely honest. I thought Bitcoin was going to go to 100K probably like 2 months from now when we were at that 65K level. And it didn't, guys. I was wrong. We had this dip, and now my opinions changed because the charts have changed. But you have to remember that you guys need to be focused on if a bear market comes because bear markets will make you rich. You're able to buy everything before the next bull cycle, and it's just an amazing, amazing thing that happens. So you guys got to understand that the more you learn, the more you study, the more you understand the market, the more you will understand that a bear market is a beautiful, beautiful thing for people that have put in the work, have put in the education.
I was laughing at someone. He was saying, "Buy the Shop X dip." Don't buy, don't buy the Shop X dip, guys, because that thing will never go back up again, guys. Watch out, watch out. Nah,
Buy donkey dip, buy donkey dip.
yeah, you guys
Free.
can look at for yourself. Make like NFT list. Look at the NFT projects who were like shilled like crazy, like Dago Finance, guys. Everyone knows Dago Finance. Also went down 87%, guys. Just watch out. Just watch out, please. Just watch out. TLM Alien Worlds, guys. Look at Alien World. You remember Alien World? It went down 98%, guys, in 25 days. And go to Twitter. You can see which influencers were telling you to buy this, and they sold here. Just watch out. Do whatever you want, but just watch out.
Should I?
Yeah.
This person says, should I sell and wait for dip? My recommendation: set a stop loss, follow the charts. I will help you guys along the way. Follow these trends. You will still be able to make money while this market is in a downtrend because there's going to be pumps like there were in the past. If we do break out of this trend, I will let you guys know. But like I said, the importance of data to me is of the utmost. I always have followed data, and that's where success is. It's following these trends. And if it breaks out of this trend, yeah, we're good. But for now, set your stop losses on your coins. And we're going to be following Bitcoin and the markets very closely, but there will be pumps. Let me throw up my chart real quick, guys, on this. I think I have it up right here. Let me see if I have another one right now. So with my chart right here, let me put this to the 1 day. This is very important for you guys to understand. So I believe I have it back here. Yes, we do see the same thing. Let's see where's my chart. So we have the all-time high right here, guys. We have the all-time high. We have this dip, right? You guys see this dip here? I'm gonna circle it for you. We see this dip right here. People will continue to buy these dips once we have this first downtrend, right? People will continue to buy these dips. This is called the psychological diamond hand Michael Saylor George hodl zone. People will buy these dips and hodl long term, and this will drive the price up. But then we're going to have another dip below this level. This has happened every single bull market. Every time these people that are just getting in, they want to make back their gains. They want to really capitalize. They don't know stop losses. They don't know take profits. And they don't know exactly how these trends have worked in the past. But you guys have to make sure on these dips that we're going to have, there's going to be people who are going to buy into them, diamond hand them, but it's just going to be a downtrend unless we break it, which is very, very unlikely. It's actually theoretically impossible if you're looking at the data on the graphs. But you guys can look back at every trend. This is called the diamond hand Michael Saylor zone, George hodl. That's actually what it's called, seriously. So really make sure that we can capitalize on this. We've capitalized on this zone multiple times on this channel. And make sure to really put in those stop losses, really put in the work to understanding the tools that you guys have, because it's of the utmost importance, especially when we're experiencing this downtrend. You guys can make a lot of money on this downtrend into a bear market. There's a lot of money to be made for those people that have the right strategies. Anything else to add? All right.
Yeah. Can you show them the Bitcoin volume, how it's decreasing?
Yeah, we'll go into the
Someone
Bitcoin
didn't check.
volume as well. That's
Yeah.
a bear market trend right here. So let me put on the old trusty volume indicator.
The volume, right? Or yeah,
Yeah.
you can show it. Yeah.
Guys, you guys got to make sure to look at volume. All right, here we go. So we did have this sell-off right here. My guess was a shorted leverage sell-off. We do not talk about leverage too much on this channel, guys, but I'm a very, very experienced leverage trader, and I understand how over-leveraged this market is. But guys, look at the volume. We have this spike here, right? This is 2020, but let's go back a little bit. Go back into 2017. Yes, the volume's a little bit lower, but guys, we have this spike here, and then the volume decreases, right? We have an all-time high spike. What did we see here? All-time high spike in volume. What did we see here in this little rundown? All-time high spike volume, and then a rundown. What did we see here when this pumped up? All-time high spike, and then run down. Every time we have this all-time spike in volume, we have somewhat of a bear market or a bear trend. So very important for you guys to understand that, yes, people will still buy this at 31, 32, 33, 34 and pump it up along the way. And this is when you guys are going to be making your gains during this bear market. And you guys can learn how to short the market. But I'm not going to probably talk about that too much on this channel. I mean, you guys can get into shorting and longing yourselves. But I give you guys the tools. I give you guys the research to understand it. You guys are going to want to take your time with that because it is very, very risky. 95% of you guys will lose money when you do it. That's why I'm trying to teach you guys the simple tools where most of you, or at least 80 to 60% of you guys will be successful. I know that might sound harsh, but some of you guys do not put in the time, do not put in the efforts, and get a little risky. But I'm just trying to help as many people as I can through this channel really understand crypto. I will be really making a lot of gains throughout a downtrend. Even an uptrend, we make gains, guys, every single time, right? All right,
Yeah.
we will be opening up the Discord for those people that got kicked out, by the way. Okay, just make sure to do these assignments. I know it was a little unorganized. We're gonna get it organized. I will post this Discord. What's today? I'll post it Friday. Tomorrow. I will post it in the description of my next video Friday.
Yeah, and put work in. You guys have to understand. Normally they charge you $400 to join their Patreon.
A month, $400 a month.
And in the Discord, it's free. The only thing you have to do, you put some news on, or you make a summary on a YouTube video. Can you show them my screen? I just want to show one more last thing, like a last thing I want to show them. You guys remember Pokemon? Like Pokemon, that coin, that NFT
Stop
coin.
scaring them, okay, guys? Just invest in the good projects. I know,
Yeah,
guys, these projects do go down this much. This isn't a get-rich scheme, okay? It's the get-rich scheme for the venture capitals. Okay, the crypto banters, the people who have these funds, who shill these coins, they're the people who are getting rich. And they're telling you guys, oh, get rich by this. It's going to moonshot, right? Maybe 1 to 5% of you guys will make money off these coins, but a lot of these coins with bad fundamentals that you see go down 96, 97% in a bull market. In a bull market, you see these coins go down that much. Just imagine what these other coins could do. These other altcoins can do as well. Why don't you show them? Actually, why don't we go through a few other big altcoins that show them some of the losses? I mean, you guys saw these altcoins go down 70, 80%. I pointed that out from all-time highs already. So we already know that it's possible. You guys have experienced that, went through that, but it can keep on going down, guys. It can keep on going down, these coins. Don't think that there's a potential bottom. We haven't experienced the bottom yet. I can tell you guys that right now.
Expert, someone said a really nice question for you. What do you think in the comparison with 2013? Someone wants your opinion. So like I know what he's saying.
The EMA levels are the EMA levels are very, very similar.
Yeah, they stayed above it. You know, it showed more strength here. But
no. Go out to go zoom out.
Like a double top.
Yeah. Go zoom out. No, go to the right a little bit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah. It's longer. Okay. It's longer than you think. It was There we go. See, that was the top that we had. Go back to February. I see that happening in February from 2021.
Oh,
From that one
21?
dip
Okay.
that we had.
We can look at like this. Yeah, here's February. That dip from February, right?
Yeah.
This one. Oh, okay, yeah, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, maybe it's possible, guys. Who knows? Double top 2013. We're gonna be all rich if this happens. Is it
No, but
useful
still, guys,
speculation?
that would
Don't bet
still be
for it.
going against the Don't bet against the house,
Yeah, don't
guys.
bet. Yeah, don't.
All right, so because that I know that pumped a lot of hopium into people, but all I'm saying is don't have hopium, don't have emotions at all. Follow the data, right? Follow the data. 2013 had a way smaller market cap by the way, guys, way smaller market cap in 2013. So remember that as well. I know there's a different market cap right now. But you guys have to understand, yes, that trend does show, it does look a lot more volatile in 2013 to 2014 as it does right now, but you really need to be following the analytical data and understanding that market cap does change. But the same psychology of buying the dips, this EMA level crossing, people don't realize it. This trend does not change.
So what you want me to show them? Oh yeah, you guys remember also chain guardians?
You're scaring them. You're scaring them.
Yeah, but you told me to show them CGG. It also went down. But don't worry, guys. Now you can buy it low. These are the points you buy. So now it's gonna be accumulation, and you can buy it.
Yeah, if it has use case, if it has profit, guys,
Yeah,
you guys gotta be looking into these coins. Look if they have any partnerships. Look if they're actually bringing in revenue. If they're not, why would you hold them? They're not making money yet. It's just empty promises, right?
I see someone saying, "This guy wants things to go down so he can buy." Of course, of course, of course. I want everything at discount, guys. Come on. Of course.
All right, so
Just stay safe.
yeah, I'm just the summary of this. I'm really trying to get you guys having a macro perspective on the market, not just a micro bull run perspective where you guys only have looked at the market for the past 4 or 5 months, or maybe the past year or so. You guys need to be thinking macro if you guys want to be successful in crypto. We have these bullish trends once we enter that all-time high dip, which we have seen. Which when we have that all-time high dip, we have some sort of bearish pattern down or bearish trend down, but we do still have pullbacks above those EMA levels. We showed you guys how to use those EMA levels, but we still have those pullbacks into it, little wicks above it, but it's mainly a downtrend. But there's still going to be people who buy the dip if we do have that data showing that we're going to have that. But make sure, guys, to really understand that there's going to be money to be made if we do have this trend continue downwards. That's what the data is showing, and I would rather go against the news than the data, right? People have lost lots of money going against the data rather than the news. We're analytical, right? What's the highest percentage of this happening, right? What's the highest percentage of us being in a bear market? I would say probably above 90%. Probably above 90%, way above 90%. And I really want to make sure that you guys understand that. But like I said, there's still going to be money to be made. You guys need to separate emotions from these investments that you're in. And we are still going to stream and do stuff throughout these dips and really get the bottoms of where everything could be, making those gains throughout this. And I just want to let you guys know, right? You're never in safe hands. I'm kidding. But I will try and give you guys some guidance and some safe hands. But make sure to do research on your own. Make sure to really understand some of this on your own so you do not get bamboozled.
Yeah, I want to end this with a good comment I read in the chat. Alan Fletcher, you said it very good, man. Very good. Do your own research. Don't follow YouTube folks with zero financial qualifications or background. 100%. Do your own research. I agree 1000% with that. By the way, he said 90%. I'm still 50-50, guys. So I'm with you guys. I'm with the hopium. Let's see Sunday.
All right. All right. We'll see. Okay. Have a great day, everyone.
Have a great day.